Hi, and welcome to Comprehensible Input Architecture Edition. Today we have 24 images that we'll talk about. This first page has 12 images, starting with image number 1. In picture number 1, there are 2 doors. One door is wooden, and the other door is black. The left door is black, and the right door is wooden. There are also 2 windows in the picture with shutters, black shutters. The building is brick and there are plants outside. Picture number 2 is of a countertop with a faucet and sink on it. There is a sink in the countertop and a faucet on it. This is likely a kitchen. The countertop looks to be smooth and flat. Picture number 3 is of a chimney on top of a roof. This chimney is made of brick. A chimney is where smoke leaves a building. You can see sky in the background. The next image is actually a video. This video shows a chimney with 2 bird nests near it. One bird nest is on the chimney at the exit of the chimney with a bird on top, and the other bird nest is next to the chimney. In the background, you can see the sky with 2 white clouds. Image number 5 is of a window. In the window, there are trees. In front of the window, you can see a couch with 2 pillows. Picture number 6 is of an architect drawing at a table. The architect has paper in front of him, and he is drawing in the room. Picture number 7 is an architectural plan. It is a drawing of a building with rooms in it. Image number 8 is a video. This video shows a cat looking out of a window. The cat is sitting on a table or a desk that also has a laptop and a coffee cup on it. Picture number 9 is of a roof with a chimney on it. You can also see some windows or skylights in the roof. In the background is the sky. The roof has shingles or tiles on it. Picture number 10 is of a fountain. A fountain has water coming out of it. Behind the fountain are bushes and trees. Picture number 11 is of a basement. There are steps down to the basement. In the basement, there isn't a lot of furniture. There are 2 trash cans and a window. A basement is below the main floor. Image number 12 is a video. In this video, you can see a fountain. In the fountain, there is moving water. Behind the fountain is a truck, some trees, and 2 people sitting on a bench. The second page here has 12 new images. Picture number 13 is of a brick fireplace. A fireplace is where we have a fire. There are wood logs in the fireplace and a fire. Picture number 14 is of a wooden floor. The floor is what we walk on. In the picture, you can see 2 feet, 2 shoes of somebody standing on a floor. Picture number 15 is of a bathroom. In the bathroom, there is a shower to the left and a counter to the right. In the back, there are towels hanging on the wall. A bathroom is where you wash. It is a room in your house. The next image, image 16, is actually a video. Someone is pouring marbles on a wooden floor. The marbles are rolling across the wooden floor. Picture number 17 is of a ceiling. This ceiling is interesting. It is a curved ceiling. A curved ceiling is not flat. A ceiling is at the top of a room. There are lights in the ceiling. You can also see columns and windows in this picture. Picture number 18 is of an attic. An attic is at the top of a living space, the top of a house, for example. You can see light coming in from a skylight in the roof. The attic is dusty. Picture 19 is of a garden. A garden is a place where flowers and plants grow. This garden has a path down the middle of it. There are trees in the background and flowers in the front. The flowers are mostly red, pink, and white. Image 20 is actually a video. This video is of an attic. In this attic space, there is a bookshelf with books, a desk, a chair, and a globe. On top of the desk is a laptop. This is a nice attic space. The next image, image 21, is a picture of a balcony. A balcony is an outside space in your home. In this balcony, there are 2 chairs and a railing for safety. In the background, you can see sky, clouds, and trees. Picture number 22 is of a wall. This wall is white. In front of the wall is a sofa and a chair. Picture 23 is of columns. There are white columns in the picture. Columns support structures above the floor. Image 24 is a video. This is a video taken from someone's balcony. On the balcony railing is a cup of coffee and a bowl. In the background, you can see trees. Do any of these words look familiar? I hope so. See you next time.